Hey guys, welcome back to Yoyundoke's kitchen and welcome to day 10 of my vlogmas. Today I'll be making delicious breakfast. It's very simple to make and the ingredients are very affordable. So stay tuned to see how I make this delicious breakfast, and I do thank you for watching. So guys, these are the ingredients we'll be using for our delicious breakfast, and I'm going to leave the list in the description box. Don't forget to check it. So guys, for this breakfast we'll be needing just half of a tomato ball, and we are going to cut them very in cube sizes. So this requires a very firm tomato, so make sure you get a tomato that is firm to hold, so you don't have any challenges cutting it. So we'll be using just this size of onions, okay? Everything is going to be cut in cube sizes. Alright, I believe I did a good job. So guys, we'll be using our multicolored pepper. You can see I have orange, yellow, and red. These are sweet peppers. So I'm going to make sure I cut them open to take off the seed, and then we'll slice them into thin sizes. Next is our green bell pepper, and we'll just be using this portion. So we're going to cut off the middle of the bread. You can see what I'm doing here. So be careful to cut nicely, and make sure you use a sharp bread knife. So we cut the middle off. We lift it up as well. So we'll be saving this. Alright, we're going to start by greasing our pan. So we are using a skillet pan for this recipe. And the next thing is to place our bread. And we'll be using 2 eggs for this recipe. So you break in the egg. And the second one, you stir immediately. And likewise this one, the second one. And the next thing will be to get our veggies right in. We have some onions, bell pepper, green bell pepper, tomatoes. And we'll be getting the ham as well. Just a little bit of each. The next thing is to get our cheese in. Getting our bread to cover. So we're going to allow it to fry. Alright, so now we are going to flip to fry the other side. So So we're gonna give it some just few minutes, and voila, our breakfast will be. So guys, our breakfast is ready, and we're gonna get it off the heat. Ooh, ooh, ooh. It's ready. I'm going to cut into two. Just look at, yummy. The cheese melted, looking so nice. So you can make this as your Christmas breakfast to wow your family. You can add this recipe as well to your Christmas menu. Sumptuous breakfast with the cheese. Oh my goodness. This is so delicious. Yummy goodness. I'll be plating this, and I do thank you for watching. Let me try and finish my food, guys. Thank you.